Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the folder icon on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So here there is a folder and we are going to change the icon of this folder. So I'll do a right click on that and then I'll go to properties. Now here in properties, we will find many tabs and we need to go to the last tab, which is customize. I will click on that. And then we will go down and here we have this change icon. The moment we click on that, you can change it to whatever you like. And if you want a different icon, if you already have a different icon, you can change that as well. And you can also restore it to default. So I will select it from here. Let's say I want a different folder, like different folder icon, and I will choose this. And if you want to restore it, you can do that. So I'll click on OK, I'll click on apply and OK. Now we will go to that folder and you can see the folder icon has been changed. Please hit the like and subscribe and do let me know, have you changed the icon of your folder or not? I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.